Welcome to The Explainer. Okay, today we're taking the absolute strangest interval in classical music theory and connecting it straight to the hidden algorithm that controls your social media feed. Seriously, it all comes down to the exact same mechanics of tension. Here is our quick roadmap. First, we'll hit the musical paradox, then dive into the math of dissonance, and finally, look at engineering attention. Let's get right into it.
Section 1, the musical paradox. Spelling dictates function.
So, in Western music, two notes can actually sound exactly identical to your ear, but behave completely differently. Think about a piano. Playing C to E sharp and C to F uses the exact same physical keys, right? So, why on earth does one sound totally finished and stable while the other acts like a tightly coiled spring just waiting to snap?
Well, the secret is literally in how it's written down. An augmented third only spans 3 letter names, like C, D, and E. Because it's unnaturally stretched wide like that, it creates this intense harmonic dissonance. It's incredibly unstable musically, basically acting as an engine that forces the melody forward.
Think about it this way. When you invert a stable perfect fourth, it stays beautifully consonant. It sounds nice and resolved. But if you invert an augmented third, it becomes even more unstable, violently driving the music forward. The literal spelling tells the musician exactly how that musical tension needs to resolve itself.
Moving right along to Section 2, the math of dissonance, sense and tuning. You see, modern 12-tone equal temperament tuning is actually hiding this interval's true nature from your ears. Today, both of these intervals measure exactly 500 cents, meaning they are absolute acoustic clones. But if you look at historical tuning systems like just intonation or Pythagorean, the augmented third was completely, wildly different. It formed highly complex, heavily dissonant frequencies that sounded like an entirely distinct thing.
Which brings us to Section 3, engineering attention, the social algorithm.
Okay, here's where it all connects. Just like classical composers use that mathematical dissonance to keep you hooked, today's digital creators engineer that exact same tension to hit a massive 70% completion rate. If you drop below that metric, the algorithm completely stops distributing your explainer. But hit it, boom, your content gets up to 22 times more views. It's a total game changer. The algorithmic funnel basically demands you act exactly like a master composer. First, your content appears in the feed. Then you stop the scroll. That is your hook. You have to hold the tension to keep the viewer engaged through the average view duration, and finally, you resolve it with satisfaction signals, like a share to trigger broader recommendations. To prevent you from swiping away before that tension resolves, creators use some pretty strict tactics. We're talking 3-second visual hooks that start right mid-action, constant rapid pattern interrupts every few seconds to totally reset the tension, and seamless audio-visual loops that quite literally trick your brain into rewatching the whole shebang. So whether it's the spelled dissonance of an augmented third or a perfectly timed visual interrupt freezing your thumb on a screen, the engineering behind it is exactly the same. Tension absolutely demands resolution. So we have to ask, is human attention just as mathematically predictable as the overtone series? What are you going to let hold your attention next?